Welcome to the Master and Dynamic product tutorial for the MH40 Wireless Over-Ear Headphones. These wireless headphones stay true to the design of our iconic MH40 wired over-ear headphones. The magnetic memory foam ear pads and underside of the headphone feature lambskin leather to ensure extra comfort during extended listening times. The stainless steel arms are adjustable to help you find your optimal fit. Additionally, the ear cups rotate for comfort around the neck or easy storage. To turn your headphones on, press and hold the power button located on the right ear cup. To pair your headphones, first ensure the headphones are powered off. Press and hold the power button until the white LED battery light starts to pulse. This indicates that the headphones are now in pairing mode. A solid light indicates you are connected. The MH40 wireless headphones have the ability to pair to two devices at a time. After you connect to device 1, enter pairing mode again and the device will disconnect. Connect to the second device and turn the headphones off. Turn the headphones back on and they will automatically connect to both devices simultaneously. Pause one device and play from the other to swap the headphone connection. The volume controls are located on the right ear cup with a multi-function button in between. Press once to play and pause. Press twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back. This button can also be used to answer and end phone calls. The MH40 Wireless is equipped with a USB-C charging port. To charge, plug in the USB connector and connect to a USB port. A solid orange light indicates charging, and the light will turn solid green once fully charged. The headphones charge to 50% in 30 minutes and to 100% in 80 minutes. To check the battery status, tap the power button when paired to a device. The LED will flash green, orange, or red to indicate the battery level. The MH40 Wireless features the same detachable magnetic ear pads as the original MH40. When you would like to replace your ear pads, remove by gently pulling from the top and the ear pad will release. To reattach, snap the ear pad back in line with the ear cup. The MH40 wireless headphones can be customized with different colored ear pads. Clean ear pads and headphones with a soft, slightly damp cloth. Do not soak, submerge, or allow moisture to enter near the drivers or cable jacks. Thank you so much for listening. We hope that you enjoy your MH40 wireless over-ear headphones.